This is the Apple Watch Ultra 3, and Apple says it's the ultimate adventure smartwatch, tougher, smarter, and finally powerful enough to replace dedicated outdoor watches. But after spending real time with it, I realized something interesting. This might actually be Apple's most impressive watch yet, and also the hardest one to recommend. Apple Watch Ultra 3 Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is Apple's flagship rugged smartwatch, released in September 2025, designed primarily for outdoor adventurers, athletes, and power users. It keeps the familiar 49mm titanium case, but adds meaningful upgrades like 5G connectivity, satellite messaging, a brighter LTPO3 display, and longer battery life. Starting at $799, this sits at the very top of Apple's wearable lineup, above the standard Apple Watch models. The key idea here is simple. This isn't just a smartwatch. Apple wants this to be your fitness coach, safety device, navigation tool, and communication hub, even when you're completely off the grid. Apple Watch Ultra 3 Performance. So the Ultra 3 runs on Apple's newer Silicon and watchOS optimizations, and everything from scrolling widgets to launching workouts feels instant. Apps open fast, animations are fluid, and there's basically zero lag in everyday use, which is exactly what you want from a premium wearable. I use this for workouts, sleep tracking, navigation, calls without my phone, and even streaming music over cellular. The experience feels less like a watch and more like a tiny wrist computer. The new always-on display refreshes once per second instead of once per minute, which means you can actually see a ticking seconds hand without raising your wrist. Small detail, surprisingly satisfying. GPS accuracy is excellent, matching dedicated fitness gear during testing according to reviewers, and health tracking remains among the most reliable in the smartwatch world. The only surprise? Performance wasn't dramatically different from the Ultra 2. This feels more like refinement than revolution. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features, because this is where the Ultra 3 earns its name. Satellite communication. This is huge. When you're outside cellular or Wi-Fi coverage, you can still send messages, share location, or contact emergency services via satellite. Why should you care? Because if you hike, camp, or travel remotely, this could literally be a lifesaver. 5G connectivity. Yes, a smartwatch with 5G. Downloads are faster, streaming works better without your phone, and calls feel more reliable in crowded areas. It makes the watch feel genuinely independent. Hypertension notifications. Apple added new health monitoring that analyzes patterns suggesting chronic high blood pressure. You're not getting medical diagnosis here, but it's passive monitoring that could alert you to problems you didn't even know existed. That's powerful everyday value. Design and build. Aesthetically, Apple didn't reinvent the wheel, and honestly, that's fine. You still get the iconic titanium case, flat sapphire crystal, and that bold industrial design that screams adventure watch. It's rugged, premium, and unmistakably ultra. The downside? It's big. At 49mm, this watch can feel massive on smaller wrists. It's comfortable for workouts thanks to the lightweight titanium, but definitely not subtle. Still, durability is outstanding. Better water resistance, strong scratch protection, and a build designed for diving, climbing, or basically anything short of extreme mountaineering. Battery life. Battery life is one of the biggest upgrades. Apple claims up to 42 hours of normal use and 72 hours in low power mode, and in real-world testing, reviewers saw roughly multi-day usage depending on activity. Pros. Best display ever on an Apple Watch. Satellite messaging adds real safety value. Smooth, fast, everyday performance. Excellent health and fitness tracking. Cons. Huge size won't fit everyone. Small upgrade if you already own the Ultra 2. Final verdict. Look, if you're coming from an older Apple Watch or buying your first Ultra, this is an easy recommendation. You're getting Apple's most capable wearable ever, safer, faster, longer lasting, and genuinely useful without your phone. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, runner, diver, or traveler who wants both smartwatch intelligence and adventure reliability, this is a no-brainer. But if you already own the Ultra 2, honestly, you can skip this generation. Even major reviewers call it more of an incremental upgrade than a massive leap.